The Divisibility Rules, Part 2. Here's the divisibility rule for 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. The sum means add, so you have to add all the digits together. Let's try an example. If our number is 123, is it divisible by 3? Well, let's try the steps. First, we have to add all 3 digits together. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Now we have to decide, is 6 divisible by 3? Can you divide 6 by 3 evenly? Well, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So yes, it worked. Let's try another example. If we have the number 251, is it divisible by 3? Let's do the steps. First, we have to add all the digits. So 2 plus 5 plus 1. 2 plus 5 plus 1 equals 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? Well, let's find out. 8 divided by 3. Well, 8 cannot divide into 3 evenly, so it is not divisible by 3. 251 is not divisible by 3. Let's try another example. If we have the number 435, is it divisible by 3? We got to do the steps. 4 plus 3 plus 5. Let's see. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3 evenly? 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So yes, 435 is divisible by 3. Let's try one more example. 67. If our number is 67, is it divisible by 3? Well, first we have to add all of the digits together. So 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Can 13 divide by 3 evenly? 13 divided by 3 equals, nope, cannot divide evenly. So 67 is not divisible by 3. Here's the divisibility rule for 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. That means we have to remember what the divisibility rules for 2 and 3 are. Okay, so our rule for 2's was if the last digit is even, and our rule for 3 is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So let's try it out. Here's an example. If our number is 48, so first we have to decide, is 48 divisible by 2? Well, we look at the last digit. Is 8 even? Yes, so it is divisible by 2. Now we have to figure out if it's also divisible by 3. So we have to add the digits together. So 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Can 12 divide evenly into 3? Well, 12 divided by 3 is 4, so yes, it can. So it's also divisible by 3, which means that 48 is divisible by 6. Let's do another example. Let's try 126. Our rule is if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So first let's check for 2. The rule for 2 is if the last digit is even. Let's look at our last digit. Our last digit is 6. So is 6 even? Yes. So 126 is divisible by 2. Our next step is to make sure it's divisible by 3 also. So the divisibility rule for 3 is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So let's add all our digits together. 1 plus 2 plus 6. 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9. So we have to find out, can you divide 9 by 3 and get an even answer? Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So yes, you can. So 126 is divisible by 2, and it's also divisible by 3, which means it's divisible by 6. Alright, let's do our last example. So if our number is 45, is it divisible by 6? Well, first we have to see, is it divisible by 2? The last digit of the number is 5. Is 5 an even number? Nope. So 45 is not divisible by 2, which means it's also not divisible by 6 because it's not divisible by 2 and 3. Here's the divisibility rule for 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. This rule is just like the rule for 3s. We have to add all the digits together and then see if that number is divisible by 9. Let's do an example. If our number is 801, is it divisible by 9? Well, first we have to try the steps. So we have to add all the digits together. 8 plus 0 plus 1 equals 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? Well, 9 divided by 9 equals 1. So yes, it is divisible by 9. So 801 is divisible by 9. Let's try another example. If our number is 936, is it divisible by 9? Well, first we have to add all the digits together. So 9 plus 3 plus 6. 9 plus 3 plus 6 equals 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Well, let's find out. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So yes, 936 is divisible by 9. Okay, let's try one last example. 804. So first we have to add all the digits together to see if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So 8 plus 0 plus 4. 8 plus 0 plus 4 equals 12. Let's find out, can we divide 9 into 12? Well, 12 divided by 9 equals, we can't find a good answer for that one because doesn't divide evenly. So 804 is not divisible by 9.